In this video, I'm going to show you some YouTube default settings that you can use to save precious time whenever you're uploading your videos. So let's get started right now. Hi, it's Steve from It Makes Sense, where my goal is to give you the tools, the tips, and the strategies so you can start your YouTube business because it just makes sense to have time and financial freedom. So if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell notification so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. If you are a content creator, then you know that making videos for YouTube can take a lot longer than most people realize. You first have to research your topic, then you have to do your keyword research, then you have to outline or script your video, then you actually have to film the video, and then once you're done filming, you have to edit your video, and then you have to upload it to YouTube, optimize it, and then publish it, and then market it. Thankfully, YouTube has some upload default settings that you can use that'll save you time so you can focus on other things like creating more videos. So let's hop over to the computer and let me show you these settings in the YouTube Studio. So I'm on my YouTube channel, so let's go into YouTube Studio. So hit YouTube Studio, and the settings I want to show you are in the Settings tab. So hit Settings. And the first one I want to show you is if I go to Channel, I go to Advanced Settings, the first thing that you might want to set is, do you want to set your channel as made for kids? So if you don't set this, I set mine to no, it's going to ask you for every video if this is a channel or if this is a video made for kids. So I have mine set to no, so it's automatically set, so I don't have to worry about it again. The other thing you want to check is to make sure that the display the number of people subscribed to your channel is checked, because most of the time people won't subscribe to your channel if you have this hidden. It's a trust factor. All right, the next setting is the branding settings. So if I go to branding, now what this does is this puts a watermark at the bottom right of your video, and you can have it be at the end of the video, the custom start time if you want, or the entire video, which is what I have. Now, when someone hits this watermark, they will subscribe to your channel, and you can change this to be any watermark you want. You can have this be your logo, you can have it be a picture. I just have a subscribe button. So this is another great setting that you want to have, so it gives people an easy way to subscribe to your channel. Now let's go to the next one, which is the upload defaults. And this is probably my favorite setting. This saves me a lot of time. So within all my videos, I like to have some things within my descriptions. For instance, I like to have some YouTube tips and strategies and tools that I use. I also have, my blog link. I have my subscribe to my email list. I also have my earnings disclaimer, my affiliate disclaimer, and I want these to be in every single video. Now, obviously, I change this depending on the video, what's up above the description, but I don't always want to have to cut and copy this from every video. That's why I have it upload automatically based on this upload default. Now, you probably see here I have this little extension. This is a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy, and this allows me to have different default descriptions depending on the video I'm creating. So for instance, I have a default description that I use, a template that I use for my YouTube related videos. I also have one that is for my affiliate marketing related videos. So because of this Chrome extension, I can have different defaults. And if I wanted to add a new one, for instance, if I had live streams and I wanted to have live stream description, I can just hit new and then create live stream. Hit OK. And now all I have to do is change this out, and any time that I upload a video and I choose this setting, it'll upload that template. So this is a great Chrome extension. I'll leave a link down below. You can check it out. The next thing that I want to show you in this default setting, so let me cancel out of this, is the visibility. Now, I like to have my videos as unlisted because whenever I shoot a video, I like to schedule it. So typically I'm shooting videos a week in advance. So this is something, whenever I upload a video, I don't want it to publish right away. I want it to be unlisted. That way I can optimize it how I want to, not worry about it uploading or not worry about it publishing right away. All right, the next setting is if I go to Advanced Settings. Now make sure when you're creating a video, unless you want to make sure that people can't use your content. So if I were to have this set to Creative Commons, that means that anyone can take my video and use it within their own videos, and I don't want that. So make sure you have the standard YouTube license checked. Now, whenever you shoot a video, you will probably want to have it in a category. So mine is education, but there are so many different other categories that your videos can fall into, but mine is in the education category. Once I set it, I don't have to worry about it again for each video. And the other thing that I have on here is allow comments, because I want to have engagement within my videos. These settings can really save you a lot of time, especially during the upload process. Now, if you want to learn how to optimize your video after you upload to YouTube, then go check out this video right here. And it's a tool that I use that gives me the best chance to make sure that I show up in the top of the YouTube search results. Or if you don't want to watch that video, go watch this video, and that is a video that YouTube recommends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.